traders, welcome to the daily recap for March 29th, 2023. Let's take a look at what we did today. A couple different things. So on the equity side, some pretty good trades. Let's start with that. And most notable was most likely the MSTR 10-point trade today. And one sec. There we go. Just trying to find my mouse there. MSTR. So most notable idea today on the equity side, 10-point trade here. Had a nice little flag break set up. We ended up taking it long on the range break that occurred there, and then we got a nice little push in the end of the day there. Second most notable, probably this SIVBQ. Also did tweet this on Twitter, but this was taken at 57 cents when it ran 100% really quickly, and pretty happy with that idea. I think it may have been short covering mixed with some buying on a squeeze there, so that was pretty decent. We'll see what happens with this tomorrow. If we get any continuation there, I'll be certainly watching. Do have a piece on it as well still. EMPH, long idea, 3 points on that today. AMAT, long idea, 2 points on that one. AVGO, long idea for 2 points at the end of the day there. Tesla, long idea for 2 points at the beginning of the day. Lulu, short for 4 points total. There was multiple shorts, one in the morning, the one in the afternoon. And that's pretty much it. We had a couple things that worked okay, like Meta for like 50 cents. A couple other things. We tried some UNH. For 1 point short to the downside. We tried it long at the end of the day, ended up being a 1 point loss, so that's pretty much just a flat trade. Tried Ambi long, did not end up working, and that's it. Oh, Baba short as well, didn't end up working today. But that's it for that. Let's take a look at the option side, which was quite nice today. FUTU, 50 calls overnight at 16 cents. They're up 300% on those. Solid idea. Workday, this was one of my favorites today. Workday 200 calls, and right when we grabbed them, ended up having a huge spike to the upside. So it ended up being a 274% call idea. XOM overnight idea, 109 calls, 220%. BLMK 8 calls this morning. That ended up being 211% idea there, pretty good. SPX, most notable was the 40-10s today. We did a ton of scalping. Only one trade didn't work, about 8 trades, so that was pretty good. But SPX, the 40-10s at the end of the day, 170% from $7.20 all the way to like 21 or whatever it was. So pretty damn good there. Then MU 64 calls for 160%. We did an EMPH for like 50%. A whole bunch of stuff that was like 30%, 40% as well intraday. GNS for 75% on the, 3 call idea there. Roku for 36%. Coin for 48%, Square 50%, and that's it. So pretty solid. Really high hit rate on the option side, which is great. Equity a little bit more mixed, but still pretty high, which is great as well. And there was that SIVBQ banger, absolute awesome penny stock going 100%. It's pretty cool. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, guys. Market does look pretty decent on the daily. It's starting to get back above everything. It's a slight big extended, but you did break the downtrend. You're above all EMA, so that's a good thing. I'm mainly looking at the Qs because that's obviously what looks great is the tech side of things. And tech, flagging on the upside, you have this head and shoulders to get through, then that all-time high, or not all-time high, recent range high. And once we get through that level, then you kind of got a straight shot higher. Keep an eye on individual tech names as well. They look fantastic. Anyways, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. Oh, also, you can go to SpartanTrading.com. You can sign up there. There are promos on my Twitter page worth checking out. Have a good one, guys, and enjoy the rest of your day.